Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we are going to show you how to connect your Honor 5 with the app in your phone. So we have here the Huawei Health app, or you can go search it in Play Store, or you can go and scan in the user manual. As you can see here, after you scan it you can download it. So what we have here is the Huawei Health app with the Honor 5, the new Honor 5, and without losing any time we can go here, go to the add device, Honor 4 and 5 we have here, press pair, and here we have the Honor 5. And now we can see that it's done. We press done here and we have all the information about the new Honor 5 here. Let's go and see here what we have. We have steps, calories and distance. So we have all this information zero because this is a new watch. We haven't used it yet. So we have here the 3 most wanted information here. We have help, Huawei True Sleep, activity reminder, continuous heart rate monitor, so you can turn it on and off. We have smart or real time. We have the alarm, do not disturb, notification, weather, Bluetooth function, raise wrist to wake up, rotate to switch, auto download update, firmware update, and restore factory settings. In the bottom we have unpair, and here we have the first page. We have here today's data, sleep, minutes, distance and burn calories. We have exercise and record, sleep, weight and heart rate here, and sort card. We have the last heart rate right here, it's saved. And we have steps here in the bottom with the statistic that we need to see. Next we have exercise. Here in exercise we can go for run, walk, cycle or train. As you can see, with these three options we have the map here. We press go, 3, 2, 1, the countdown,
activity started,
and as you heard it says activity started. So we have the heart rate on. Here we can see all the details, and that's a really good thing.
activity paused,
As you heard, activity paused.
activity resumed,
So
activity
everything
paused.
that you
Activity
do,
stopped.
it's telling here in the watch. Same with 3. We have here train. We have 5 kilometers, 10, half marathon and marathon training plan. You can go and customize these options here for yourself if you go for a run with 5 kilometers or whatever you want. Next we have me, which is the profile page. We have goal, profile, and we have messages. Here we have my device. Now as you can see, it's connecting with the Huawei 5. We have data sharing, settings and about. Here in settings we have more settings to customize, and this was all of the options that the Huawei Health gives us with the Honor 5. So guys, this was all for today's video. If you have any questions, suggestions, feel free to comment down below, and we will try to help you all. Thank you for your time. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next time.